Hey, check these out. I've loved solar lights, and if you have a place somewhere that you can clip, look at that, a nice spring clip, solar panel on top, motion sensor in the front, 270-degree spread of light, and 3 modes. One is first mode, turns on when it senses the motion and shuts off in 20 seconds. Mode 2, where it turns on full brightness when it detects motion, but then when the motion is gone, it stays on about 30% bright. And then a third mode where it just stays on all night long at about 30% bright. But man, this is the easiest of installs. I mean, look how simple this is. I mean, it literally, that's it. I'm done. This is a 2-pack, so you can spread these out, of course. 4-pack, line your whole fence. These sensors, they really do pick up. If you're coming down your driveway, this is going to pick it up right away. And they'll run for like 8 hours. They really will. If you don't have direct sunlight, I mean, like this area here will get direct sunlight. If you can get direct sunlight for like 6 hours, you're going to get a full charge. If you're just doing ambient light, where it's kind of partial sun, you know, it's going to take a little longer to get them fully charged. So come summertime, for me, I'm just going to use them as motion sensors. They don't need to stay on all the time because I've got lights on the porch and things like that. But back here on my back driveway, it gets a little dark. So as the car comes in, they'll kick on, give me a little bit of light, or if I'm walking by to get the garbage can, you know, all that kinds of things. And then, you know, if you want it somewhere else, boom, just grab it and take it to where you want to clip it. So I think it's a pretty sweet product.